Welcome back to another late night tool catechism. Well, I got the welder. It's been sitting for a little bit because I've been waiting for this fella here from our friends over at Amazon. This is the Enjoy Welding with Yeswelder. There are a lot of online reviews for these guys. I recommend you watch a few, and this is my version of it. As you see, I don't have a hat on. It's because we're going to try and fit this guy. Maybe see what it's about. Kind of a nice little cloth bag. I'll have to put some text in with the model number and all that jazz, or hopefully it's on here. This is the LYG-Q800D series auto darkening welding helmets. I got this fella because it's supposed to be a full range vision sort of a helmet. The other reviews said the headgear was kind of maybe not the best. But what I'll be doing is I'll get this fit, we'll put in the batteries, and gonna do the video on how to get the Vulcan running. Well, the headgear it's okay. I guess I'm used to the old helmets. In the olden days without the auto darken, you'd get ready and then you'd light up your arc. Boom, boom. Pow. This was the start. Trying some new bulbs to light up our life here. These are the Cree Bulbs, the soft whites, 75 watt equivalent from Home Depot. I had been using the Philips, but these were down in the basement. They lit up in front of my wood-burning furnace, and I want them back there because I really love these, and no longer available because they're good and expensive. This fella seems like a decent helmet. It's a brand new shade on the front. Peel that off. Kind of a peel before use thing. Ooh. So some interesting things here. Your shade control is this large knob here on the outside. Item set to 13. I like to weld at 11. roll this headgear out of the way here. Well, move it like that. So you've got your test. See if you'll be able to see that darken or not. Not really. And then right here is a slider. The bottom is grind. Imagine that compensates for grinding spark. Cut. Top is weld. Your next one here is sensitivity. That's at really the lowest sensitivity from the factory. I'll have to do a little welding with this and see what I think of that. Delay. It's also sent to the minimum there. My eyes are a bit sensitive. I don't like getting any sort of that initial arc flash, so hopefully this guy works well. And this is supposed to be the panoramic view, so they've got these little side windows, and also it has something called true color. For whatever that's worth. Here we'll, oh, look at that hairy hand. Let's do the, ooh, gotta love that. Oh, well, the one-hander on the peel is not the best. Alrighty, I'm going to put this away and we'll see if we can't get the welder set up and running. Then hopefully we'll get to use the helmet.